Hey guys, Dmitriy here with Cirque Supply, and if you've shopped rear window covers and you shopped Wanderful, you know they have them for metal and for factory plastics. And honestly, our factory plastic ones just never stuck. They'd always fall off, and they sent me a solution. So today, I'm going to test it out live in 4K. First and foremost, major respect and props to the Wanderful, because instead of gaslighting me for saying there was a problem with the product, they came up with a solution, and they were very generous in sending replacement window covers, new adhesion primer pads, and new magnets. So we're going to try it out, and if it works, great, and if not, you guys will be the first ones to see it, and sorry in advance to Wanderful. But the problem with this is these guys don't want to stick to the plastics. I have a couple here that did hang on, but what we'd find is hot days, cold days, we'd find these things just kind of drooping and just not adhering properly. So this one, for some reason, decided it wants to be part of the van forever. I'm going to try to pry this son of a gun off. And that's the only one that's stuck on this side. So that was really easy. On this side, we got two, and for some reason, one of them decided to want to be part of the window. And I don't want to mess with that right now. So we're just going to focus on these guys. All right, flipping this up. Wow, very nice. Oh, very good. Okay, so I actually brought rubbing alcohol, but they do include the pad, so I'm going to use theirs instead. And we're going to want to clean off the working area before we do the adhesion. What do they call it? An adhesion promoter? It's kind of like a club promoter, but instead of trying to slip you pills in your drinks, it helps stuff stick to your plastics. Sorry in advance to any club promoters out there. I know you guys aren't all sleaze bags, but definitely some of you carry on the reputation. All right, this stuff does evaporate at room temp, so while that side does the thing, I'll go ahead and try this adhesion promoter. Let me come on in real close. Let me show you what this is about. So first thing you want to do is crack it open. And oh my God, this is powerful. It smells like gasoline. Brad, do you want to smell it? You want to hit this? You don't want to hit it? Oh my God, okay. I'm not a drug fiend, but dude, I love the smell of gas out of a pump. If I get, oh, this smells like gasoline. It's so good. I'm not really, did I do this one first or that one? I did? Okay. Stuff's already working. Okay. Adhesion promoter all over this bad boy. And maybe I'm supposed to put the adhesion promoter on right before I put the pad on, which kind of seems like an oversight here at this particular moment, but I'll work quickly. We're gonna open this guy up. Yeah, some design improvements. This actually looks way better than the last version they sent us. That's the wrong side. Okay, here we go. This guy goes here. I will find a magnet. I will not find a magnet. Okay, there's one right here at the bottom, right at the crest. I'm gonna just make a note of it, and I definitely did screw up that adhesion promoter. Let's just, there we go, I made a little mark. Okay, I'm gonna have to use another one. Sorry, Wanderful, I didn't mean to ruin that for you guys, but I get to open another one. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. We're gonna apply this. I'm gonna quickly peel this 3M, and I'm gonna stick this on. Wow, it is slippery. That boy's slipperier than moss on the Mississippi tree stump. That's pretty good. Oh, shoot. So what I think is happening is like a chemical reaction. It's like melting the 3M adhesive into the plastic, which is great. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to leave it here, and I'll start working on the top. So I'm only going to do 3 for now and see if that holds. I might need to do more, but I'm feeling hopeful. So these two are, one goes there. Okay, so I got one right here and one right here. Okay, this one's easy. It's right where my actual decal touches the window. This one's a little trickier. This one I will carve in. I get it. This is not the right way to do it. It's my van though. I don't give a damn. Do what makes you happy. This makes me happy. Adhesion promoter here. Adhesion promoter there. And, you know, probably a good idea to wear gloves too. I'm not sure this is good for the skin. Where's my scratch mark? Right there. We got one. Let's do this other one. Right there. Hey, I'll be honest, at first glance, this is already sticking way better than it was before with the old stuff. Yeah, come on, dude. She ain't moving. I'm gonna do the other side while this dries and we'll test it out after. These guys are adhered and I'm gonna test it out. I've only done 3. And again, they have way more than 3 magnets here. I think they've got like 7 or more. But I know for a fact, the old style would not hang on with 3 magnets. Let me tell you something. You can insert that meme here. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait. Let me tell you something. That is absolutely wonderful. Shout out to Wanderful. I complained, I bitched and moaned. You guys came up with the solution and it worked wonderfully. So if you have factory plastics and they are maybe making you not want to get this product, this stuff right here, this adhesion promoter, while it's probably really bad for your health if you inhale it like I do, and may arouse feelings of investing your entire business in a Bitcoin, does work really well. And other side, just as fine. I probably won't even put more of these magnetic mounts here. I think 3 is gonna do it. So thank you for watching, and happy building. I only had 2, and I just threw them both on the ground. So, going in my mouth. It doesn't taste as good as it smells. Oh my God. It does not taste as good as it smells.